Hello and welcome to Electricity 101. In previous episodes, we learned how electricity gets from the power plant to your home, how to use it efficiently, and how utilities balance generation and load on the grid. In this episode, we're going to learn about power outages and how they're restored. So, let's get started. There are a variety of ways a power outage can occur. Severe weather, animals like birds or squirrels, even a car hitting a power pole. Now, outages can be like fingerprints. Each one is its own unique situation. No two outages are the same, but the approach to restoring an outage will generally follow the same process. To help us understand how outage restoration works, let's consider a widespread storm outage and look at how restoring power in that situation might look. At OPPD, safety is our #1 priority and is the reason we have a diligent approach to outage restoration. Power outages can happen at any time, day or night, which is why OPPD monitors its electric system 24/7 from the Energy Control Center, or ECC. The ECC serves as a central control for directing our crews to areas that need support and for ensuring our crews and customer owners are kept safe as work is performed to restore an outage. This is especially important when large storms result in many crews performing work in a variety of conditions. Let's take a look at the general process of restoring a weather-related outage. One of the first efforts is to restore power to the largest groups of customers the quickest. This starts with the distribution lines coming from the substations that provide power to the surrounding areas. This is also the stage where we prioritize necessary services, such as hospitals, first responders, and core infrastructure. Once larger groups of customers have been restored, crews focus on repairing lines and other infrastructure that provide power to smaller groups of customers. This part of the process may take longer due to the increased complexity of the repairs. During this phase, you may see that your neighbors have power, but you don't. This may mean that you are on a different circuit and/or the service line to your home has been damaged. With the majority of customers restored, crews will start focusing on more isolated repairs. This can be the most time-consuming portion of the restoration process because these repairs restore only a few customers at a time. When considering electrical infrastructure damage near your home, it is important to note it is the responsibility of the homeowner to hire a licensed electrician to repair the meter assembly. OPPD is responsible for your service line and the electrical meter. Here are some important things to remember about power outages. OPPD is committed to safely restoring power as quickly as possible. And keep in mind that various phases of the restoration process can be happening simultaneously, and again, no two outages are the same. Treat every power line as energized, never go near them, and report them immediately to OPPD. You won't be charged for electricity you don't use. And we are committed to providing affordable, reliable, and environmentally sensitive energy to our customers. In the next episode, we are going to close out Electricity 101 with a look back at what we learned over the last 11 episodes. Until then, take care.